In the turbulent waters of Zimbabwean politics, where power games often eclipse public service, one figure stands out for his unapologetic focus on accountability and citizen voice. VP Constantino Chiwenga. While some politicians scramble to rewrite history for personal gain, and others allegedly plunder state resources with impunity, General Chiwenga is emerged as a different breed, a leader who puts the people first. Chalamina Mashkobra imagines VP Chiwenga emerges as a people's champion amidst Zimbabwe's power-hungry politicians not for subscriber. Wala iko on the bill icon. Wakuminishani Rambiranyo Chiti. Recent months have laid bare the stark contrast within the ruling establishment. On one side, there is a frantic push for Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3 of 2026, and that the so-called term extension bill, gazetted in February by Zambi and Jonathan Moyo. The bill proposes changes that would stretch presidential and parliamentary terms from 5 to 7 years, shift presidential selection to parliament, and consolidate executive control over key institutions. Critics, including retired generals and civil society voices, have slammed it as a constitutional coup designed to prolong President Mnangagwa's stay in office beyond 2028. The bill has sparked heated parliamentary hearings, public protest, and accusations of undermining the 2013 constitution that Zimbabweans overwhelmingly endorsed. Meanwhile, damning allegations of grand-scale corruption have dominated headlines. Billions of dollars in public funds are said to have vanished into the pockets of Zigananda. In September 2025, Vice President Chiwenga reportedly tabled a 17-page dossier before the ZANU-PF Politburo, accusing certain figures of looting over 3.2 billion in corrupting party structures. His message was clear: the time for silence is over. Arrest the criminals now. Yet amid this chaos, Chiwenga has refused to play the usual game of political survival. Instead of joining the chorus for term extension or turning a blind eye to graft, he has consistently demanded decisive action against corruption. As a principled cadre, he has publicly warned corrupt officials and phantom contractors that their day of reckoning is coming. His anti-corruption stance is not mere rhetoric, it's backed by cause for immediate arrest and investigations, positioning him as a rare voice willing to confront the untouchables. Though my developments are able pangua inoi. The comment section videos of email to the pump service. Subscribe or like, on the bell icon.